Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Medivlushi here. So today is my time to unboxing Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the packaging. Very nice. Now, let's cut it out. So here's the phone. Very nice. The condition is really bad, as you can see. Now, I'm going to try to charge this phone. Let's go. Now, let's try to charge. Wow, what happened? Maybe they throwing the parcel, so that's why it become like this. So it happens like this, maybe because of the delivery man keep throwing and throwing without handle care. But it's okay. One day I will do a restore of this phone. I will buy the parts, only 3 items, which is the button for the power on off and the volume already included together, the LCD with frame, and the battery cover or housing. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unboxing Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.